ebm-papst, the innovation you can trust. Made in Germany, US, China, India. Built for all of us. New standards, new flow, new performance in the game. We built the future. RadiPac M is the name.
A new star rising on the scene. Precision's built pure and clean.
AHU systems and stages and as is our side. It's my solution, keeping everything alright.
Feeling free, feeling slow, EBM parties on the go. We're all here to say, RadiPac M will lead the way.
RadiPac M, save your energy. RadiPac M, high efficiency. RadiPac M, quiet as a breath of air. Feel the future everywhere.
Yo, listen up, makes efficiency in motion. Saving power, our mission. High pressure for your fan wall design. Smart controls makes it all aligned.
Made a choice to lower the noise.
Precision in the flow.
Yeah, now you know.
Say RadiPac M!
RadiPac M!
Say RadiPac M!
RadiPac M!
Let the new era begin.
RadiPac M, save your energy. RadiPac M, high efficiency. RadiPac M, quiet as a breath of air. Feel the future everywhere.
High quality, built for your demands. Ready to perform wherever your project stands. From cooling halls to crank air across the span. RadiPac M, always the right man.
RadiPac M,
The modern beat of it.
RadiPac M,
I'll promise everywhere.
RadiPac M, RadiPac M.
RadiPac M.